Yaman said, for his native land was earthquake. He said, help Turkey. Both good luck for Turkey and also being Lord prayed and other helping hands comes from different countries. As everybody can see, Turkey has already got much help from abroad. They are following the news and there are a lot of countries that already sent help there. Hope they will pass over it as soon as possible cause there are many human losses. Some strange peoples will also saying that they would be ready to help Turkey in financial way to helping its recovery fast. While Yaman is also looking ready to donate a big amount on the disaster of Turkey and Syria.